I'm looking for pinto beans. Almost done. I run our chow account, and what that is we all put money, our personal money into it, and that's the money that we use for groceries. I pay attention to the prices and take advantage of orange labels whenever I can. It's the best price.
You're the best.
I think that's it. My name is Cody Philbin. I've been with the Fresno Fire Department for coming up on 21 years now. I'm going to be cooking grilled chicken salads today. So huge salad, cut up some fresh watermelon. There's some chips that I'll put out too, and you will kind of be free to make it as healthy or unhealthy as you want. So along with taking care of the public, I also try to take care of my coworkers around here. By cooking the meals, I take that burden off of basically everybody else. I'm more than happy to be in here and try to get our lunches in and dinners in on time.
Pretty delicious.